Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this one I'm going to show you how you can fix your Google Chrome problem when it says this site can't be reached and this is the error tag. So how to fix this? Let's get started. First, what you need to do is get over to your settings and then get over to your network settings. Here just click on change adapter options and then select your Wi-Fi and then right click on it and then click on properties. There you have to find Internet Protocol version 4 TCP which says IPv4. Just click on this and then just click on this and then click on properties. Then here just tick this button which says use the following DNS server address and then enter this preferred DNS address. After you do this, just tick this box which says validate settings upon exit and then click on OK, and then hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.